Hi guys, I am Clint. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about a new indicator. If you follow my instructions and use this strategy, I'm sure you won't lose your capital. Watch the whole video to learn how this indicator works and how to use it correctly without any losses. By subscribing to my channel, you'll have access to profitable indicators and be able to avoid losses. Let's start the trading video. If the candlesticks touch this line, go down, and create a level above, the indicator will then wait for a retest of the formed level above. Given our observations, this appears to be a favorable moment to initiate a trade on the downside. Here, a downward arrow is indicating a potential trade opportunity. Our initial trade was based on a retest strategy. Alongside retests, we consider trades in both directions using RSI as well. In this case, RSI aligns with a bearish trade. Furthermore, the arrow signal suggests a seller's stance. Confirming this, the candles have also broken their recent low. Given these factors, we are prepared to proceed with the sellers. This marks the third trade signal. Upon reevaluating the market, we find that the market conditions remain unchanged. The arrow signal indicates a downward trend, and the RSI continues to move below the zero line, indicating a bearish sentiment. Consequently, we've opted for a downward trade in response to the supply. In this scenario, we observed RSI levels along with its high and low points. It created 2 points below the line, then crossed above the zero line and ascended. As it crossed above the zero line and reached a higher point, it retraced to the initial 2 points and broke through them. This can be considered a false breakout. We anticipate that after revisiting these 2 points and touching their level again, the candles will rise. Additionally, there is a point where the candle touched this line and turned green, further indicating a shift towards buyers. Let's proceed with the trade and observe the outcome. Okay, I think you have understood the signals of this indicator very well. Take care and see you in the next video with another good indicator. Bye.